One of the most common mistakes beginners make in Microsoft 365 is creating a user account without assigning a correct license. When that happens, the employee may not receive email address or use Microsoft 365 apps properly. So before you start adding users in your organization, you need to know this. In Microsoft 365, creating a user account alone is not enough. Okay, the user needs a valid Microsoft 365 license before they can properly use services. You have to assign license to that user. Okay, what happens if you do not assign a license? Let's say you create a new employee account for your staff member. The account creation process may complete successfully. But if you forget to assign a license, the user may not receive emails, Outlook mailbox may not work, Teams access may fail, OneDrive storage may not activate, and Office apps may become unavailable. So like here, there's no license available. So after creating a user account, always confirm that a license has been assigned properly. So you can actually create without a product license, which is not recommended. Different licenses provide different features. If you assign a Microsoft 365 Business Basic license, the user can access business email, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive cloud storage, web version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But there are other higher plans, which may include desktop Office applications, advanced security, device management, and additional business tools. So with Business Basic, you don't have all the apps. You may not be able to do desktop Office application. And not every employee needs the same license. A receptionist may only need email and Teams to work with. A manager may require desktop Office applications and other ones. An IT administrator may require advanced security features. So always assign license based on the employee, job role, and business needs. It will help reduce unnecessary subscription costs. You should also monitor how many licenses are remaining in your subscription. For example, if your company purchased 10 Microsoft 365 licenses and all 10 licenses are already assigned to users, Microsoft will not allow you to assign another license unless you purchase additional license or free up an unused license from another account. It's very important in a growing organization, so you either free or you purchase a new one. To manage license in Microsoft 365, we go to the admin center, which I've already shown. So you have these 4 things: active license, available license, expired subscription, and which users are currently using each license. This may help you manage your organization Microsoft 365 subscription more effectively. Okay, at times, licenses may be assigned automatically during user creation, but in many situations, you may still need to manually assign or change the license yourself. So, after creating user account, always double check the license assignment before giving the employee their login details. This simple step can prevent many Microsoft 365 support issues later. So whenever you create a new user in Microsoft 365, always remember this. Create the account. Creating an account is only the first step, and you need to assign licenses properly. If user licenses are configured properly, your users can immediately start using Outlook, email, Team, OneDrive, and other Microsoft 365 tools without problem. I hope you do enjoy the training. Thank you for watching. Bye.